Choosing the best air fryer in 2024 can make cooking healthier and easier. Here are some top options to consider, and I'm going to put everything in the description, okay? So go copy, paste it, and do what you want. Number one, Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL. Known for its large capacity, this air fryer is perfect for families. It offers even cooking and has preset settings for various dishes, making it user-friendly. Number two, Ninja Foodi 6-in-1. This versatile air fryer can also pressure cook, steam, and bake. Its multiple functions make it great for different cooking needs, and it has a sleek design. Number three, the Cosori Smart Air Fryer. This model features smart technology, allows you to control it from your smartphone. It has a spacious basket and various cooking precepts for easy meal preps. Number four, Instant Vortex Plus. This air fryer combines multiple cooking functions, including air frying, roasting, and baking. It has a user-friendly touchscreen, and it is compact, perfect for small kitchens. Number five, the GoWise USA 8-in-1 air fryer. This budget-friendly option offers excellent value with 8 cooking presets. It comes with a large basket and is easy to clean, making it great for everyday use. These air fryers can help you prepare delicious meals with less oil, making them great additions in any kitchen. Let me know which one you like the most.